Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, we got another special live episode here at Joe's Card Shop. On the box breakers, this episode's brought to you by Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street in Osborne. Check them out on Facebook, hit them up there, otherwise you can give them a call, you can stop in and see them. You might even see us here on the box breakers. So we picked up another high-tech box. We're going to do that in a little bit. We got another couple gold labels, but we really want to try to pull out a rip card out of the Topps Allen and Ginter. So we picked up a box of this from Joe. He gave us a good deal like he always does, and we're going to see what we might get. It's been a busy day here at the card shop where you never know what's going to come through the door. Abe bought some Magic cards. We did some Dragon Ball, Super Dragon Ball, whatever the new one is. We just did that one. So check out for that. Let's see what we get here. We have the box topper, one oversized box loader. We'll save that towards the end. We also have a special bonus pack that we picked up as well. So that's going to be our very last pack that we do. We have left, middle, and right. There you go. Allen Ginter. So if you've been on our channel for a little while, you know we've opened lots of these boxes, but we've always opened the blaster boxes or the booster boxes. We've never opened a hobby box. So this is going to be our first attempt, and we're hoping for something really good in here. It says that you should look out for 3 autographed relic card, rip card, or a printing plate in a book card.
What's up, man?
What's up, Adams?
Hey.
Good. We just did Dragon Ball. Just opened a whole 6 boxes of them.
You got the new stuff, bro.
All right, let's see what we get. Sandy Koufax.
Beer-induced.
Here's our mini card. Let's see what we'll put regular cards over here, insert cards here, and the mini variants there. Donaldson, there's Bryant for the Cubs, Acuna Jr., Bo Jackson. So this is a Hall of Fame pack for sure. We got Nolan Ryan. These cards are all kind of, I don't want to say damaged, but they're kind of messed up. Alright. So we're going to fly through these. If we see anything good, we'll stop and talk about it. Mancini, we've seen him a lot. Alright, here's a Pocahontas. You know what we didn't check? We didn't check the backs to see for the rare, the A and G. So there's a version of the A and G and then the regular backing. So you want this one. This is the rare one, the A and G. Oops. So that's good to see that we got that. Here's one of the insert cards for the beaches. Ooh, this is gonna have a relic or a signed card. It's gonna have something stiff in it. This is a stiff one. Jake Arrieta, regular back. Yasiel Puig, and Leak and Garcia. Huh, I thought for sure that one felt stiff. Weird. That's weird. Here's Wade Boggs, Hall of Famer. Andy Pettit. Here's one of the other options for your minis. It's a flag card. There's the rosin bag. Alright. Davis. Ooh, this is something. We got a relic card here. Charlie Blackmon, game used jersey relic card. That's cool. We'll set that off to the side. There's Ted Williams in the bullpen car. Check that out. I like that one. and Dave Winfield. Alright, so that's our first hit of the box. We got our first Relic card, so we should get 2 more hits. There's Babe Ruth. There's Tyrone Lue, he's the coach in NBA. Jake Arrieta, we had his mini variant. There's Sims rookie card with the rare back, so that's cool. Alcatrana, batting gloves. Bouchard, I think she's tennis player or tennis or yeah, she's tennis, Grand Slam. So her card goes for a couple extra bucks. And there's Rizzo. That'll go to our Cubs fans.
Yes.
Alright. Last pack of our first stack. Ooh, and there's something super shiny in there. There's nothing really shiny ever in these, okay? So Roger Maris. This guy's a swimmer. And so it's Scott Shelber, Home Run Challenge. No idea who that is, but we've already missed it, so it doesn't matter. And then we have Derek Jeter with the regular back. Bogarts. Okay, this guy, I found out from one of my friends who's an actor, told us that the movie, they made a movie about this guy. Seth Rogen's friend was in it, I forget, and he played the guy. He talks real funny, but it's a newer movie, and that's who that movie's based on, is that guy. Alright, stack number 2. We're looking for 3 hits. We've already had 1 hit. Ooh, the hot peppers. Check that out. We bought that entire collection. We've got all 30 of those. We bought the whole collection of the baseball equipment as well. There's Yasiel Puig, Pillar. Longoria, there's Hayward, Segura, he's a comedian. Jim Tomei, he's going to be in the hall, or I think he already is in the hall. That's a regular back on that. McCovey, Ozzie Smith, and Peterson. I think he's a sports guy from ESPN or something. Yeah, oh, he's the inspirational speaker. Peterson. Cool. Alright. Turner. Oh, the Bomb Cyclone. That one's cool. There's Singh. Oh, and we got the postage stamp for Benjamin Franklin. Check that out. Fungo Bat, Andre Dawson, and Zorbist. So those will both go to our Cubs fans. In the back. Oh, there's some up. There is some up here on the counter. I looked at them the other day. Erdnanindo, Ray, Capinis, Archer, Pham with the rare backing. That's cool. Cora from the world. Where's he from? Puerto Rico. Acacia and Georgish. Alright, next pack. We got George Brett. That's cool. Shoop, Wainwright, Sanchez, Merrifield, Dozer with the rare back, A&G. The World's Beaches, Paradise Island, and some dude named Richards I've never heard of. Alright, this pack feels fatter. I don't know if it's going to be our framed. We want a framed autograph card is what we really want. Actually, we really want a rip card. Okay, it's framed. We got to frame something. Alright. Sano, Cole. Who's it going to be? It's protected by Calhoun on the front. Let's pull these other ones off. There's Bo Jackson. That's cool. And who is it? Who do we got? Okay. Oh, we got the autograph. Check that out. Rosario. Framed mini autograph. Rookie card. Awesome. So that's our second hit of the box. That's super cool. Wow. Nice. I don't know. That's probably $5 maybe. Alright. 2 hits, 1 to go. Jones, Sager, Altuve. One of our subscribers informed me how to say Altuve, and I told him I'd give him a shout out next time. And I don't. I'm away from my computer. We're at Joe's Card Shop, and so I don't have his name written down. Nostalgic about baseball? Maybe. I can't remember. Anyway, Altuve. We're putting him in our good pile because apparently he's good. All right, and this is our first black border variant, and it's Robinson Cano. We got the pitch, the radar gun, Gurriel, and Stugatz. Forget who he is. He's a broadcaster guy. All right, last pack of our second stack. We got Cal Ripken Jr., Cano. There's Stevens. She plays tennis or golf. Hank Aaron, Yasiel Puig, regular back. And Ichiro, Cabrera, and Riley. All right, last stack. Duvall, Perez, Samson Park. That one's cool. Will Clark. There's the Folio of Fears. Scotophobia. I think people who are afraid of. Common in children, dread of the dark. Oh, people who are afraid of the dark. That's cool. And there's Venice Beach. Love that one. Maben. All right, we still got 1 hit to go. And we have the bonus pack as well at the end. There's Beckman, there's Ty Cobb, Dozier, Olsen. We had him in our, where do we have him? In our Topps Gold, I think. There's Reggie Jackson, McCovey, and McCann. Okay, this one feels fat. Maybe this might be our insert. Our third relic, or our third hit, I mean. Bradley. Oh, cool. We got Total Solar Eclipse. I love this card. Mauer, Greinke with the rare back. The vintage baseball. There's Lester for the Cubs. We'll put that in our Cub fan pile. And Barros. Where's it going to be? We got 1 hit left. Cozart. Snydergrad, Lou Gehrig. Rogowski. He's the quiz show guy. This guy. Who's this? Alonso. Regular back. Altuve from Venezuela. So, again, now we know how to pronounce Altuve. Kunchel, Severnio. All right, 4 packs. One of these 4 is going to have our hit. McMahon, Holmeser, Epstein. Forget who he is. He's the one that put together the. The Chicago Cubs. Yeah. So I think Cubs fans might like him. We'll put him in our Cubs file. Urias, and here's Machado with the black border. Vintage glove, Gonzalez, and Weaver. All right, 3 packs. 3 packs plus the 1 bonus plus the box topper. And we got another framed card. I can see it back there. All right, so this is our 3rd hit. There's Gray, Devers, Flattery, and then we got Kershaw. There's John Smoltz, Hall of Famer, and Soak. Okay, let's see who we get. Ooh, nice. We got Mike Trout, Game Used Jersey Relic. Nice. Someone will want that on eBay. Check that out. Super cool. Mike Trout. This is a genuine Topps Allen and Ginter Relic card that features memorabilia from Mike Trout. Super cool. It's got the red. Really like that. Nice. Nice. So we got 1 autograph. We got 1 framed relic. Can't quite see it there. So these are going to be our 3 hits, I believe. We'll see if we can get 1 more out of these last 2. We may get 1 out of the bonus. Who knows? It's always possible. Relic, Owatani, rookie card. I like that. I like to see that. Sager, Fowler. Nobody. Roatan. Cool Beach. And Batinski? I don't know how to say his name. There's Bob Clemente. Freeman. Talion. Peterson. Stevens rookie card with the rare back. Nice. Ryu. Ring 4. Piscotti. So that's our last one of the box. Now we have this bonus one that we picked up. Let's see how we did. Confronto. Duvall. Hank Aaron. Nice. It's another framed card. Ricky Henderson. And Cabrera. Check this out. What did we get? Oh, we got the Jose Canseco game used bat. Check that out. Nice for our 4th hit. It's not an auto, but it's still pretty good. I picked that pack out. And Jose Cruz. Nice. So we ended up with 4 hits, an Ohtani rookie.
This is yours, right, Andy?
Yes, sir.
Putting it over here.
Thank you.
You looking for something?
All right, now the box topper. Who do we get? Who do we get? What do we get? Ooh, it says congratulations. You have just received a Topps cabinet loader box of Chris Bryant. That's pretty cool. Our Cubs fan will really like that. Look for autographed box loaders. Nice. Okay, so here's our 4 hits. Charlie Blackmon, game used jersey. Jose Canseco, game used bat. Mike Trout, game used jersey. And Rosario, autographed rookie card. Super cool. Alright, so we'll get sleeves on all this stuff right away. And appreciate you guys tuning in to the Box Breakers and checking Joe's card shop out here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles, 24th Street in Osborne. Hit them up on Facebook. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you stay up to date on all of our video releases. Pretty much every day, multiple times a day. And appreciate all the support. Thanks for everything, guys. We'll see you next time. I think we're gonna do high tech and gold label next. So stay tuned. Box Breakers out.